what I want to teach you today, and I remind you to do, is just to use your oils. Because if your life is crazy and busy and just a lot going on, I don't want you to forget to use your oils because they can support us so tremendously. So one of my absolute favorite things to do, and it's the easiest thing, to open a bottle and you Ghetto Diffuse. And this, I'm going to show you a few other things like when I Ghetto Diffuse. I just did Adaptive. You guys, you've tried Adaptive, right? Oh, so good. Rub, rub, rub. And I want you to do 3 deep breaths, which actually, I wanted to teach you something else. I'm going to do my 3 breaths first. You guys do that right now with me. Okay, so then with what's left on your hands, I just always just rub it around on my clothes. If my hair is down, I'll rub my hands through my hair. So I am just like, then if I turn my hair, I'll smell whatever oil it was, or I'll just smell it on my clothes. Plus, it's a great, just to cover up in case you might have BO, like I might sometimes. So I remember I put Citrus Bliss on, and then I ran across the street to something that our neighborhood was doing, and my neighbor was like, "What do you have on? You smell so good." And I was like, "Oh, you smell the Citrus Bliss and not my body odor because I just worked out." One thing you can do too when you're doing your Ghetto Diffuser is take 4 seconds to breathe in. And then before you let out, like at the top, then hold it for 4 seconds. Then try and breathe out for 4 seconds. And then like hold it for 4 seconds. And does that make sense? So it's like 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. But just like, and if I did it right now, it would just take a while and you'd just be staring at me breathing. But that's another way that you can Ghetto Diffuse, doing that. But just use your oils. If you're not sure what oil to use, just grab one and smell it. Ghetto Diffuse it. You can never go wrong. Like I have oils right by my desk I'm looking at. Often ones that I reach for Adaptive. I often do wild orange, peppermint, rosemary. I love doing Ghetto Diffusing, but just any of them. Even if like your stomach is upset, yes, you can rub the oil in your stomach, but just grab some digestin and breathe it in and it can help. Or if you've got a headache, yes, you can put it where it hurts, but just Ghetto Diffuse it, and that can do tremendously wonderful things for you. Okay. So that's my challenge for you, is to just breathe in your oils more. Yes, diffusing is great, but just breathe them in. Okay. I'm challenging you. Let me know how it goes. Report back to me. Okay. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.